What's up, guys? Charles back here, and we're outside of Function Factor Forums. I'm gonna make this one super quick. We didn't do a video last week. We were super slammed trying to get marketing ready for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and thank you guys for those incredible sales number. A lot of new customers. Can't wait to get you guys your products, get you guys some license plates and some free stickers. Again, thank you to our customer bases. Unbelievable amount of orders. So what do we got behind me? This thing has been, it's been our burden. How's that? It's been a long road. Let's just say that. I did make a post on Facebook about how hard business can get, and this is a prime example right here. So this thing has been, I don't know, it's been a bad decision, but we got through it. That's the most important part. So what got done to this amazing red Corvette behind me? Well, we did this mini cage that James had this idea for. So he wants to make kind of a goat cart thing, and he came with us with this idea of making two main hoops and a removable door bar, and we gave him just that. The only gripe was that the hoops that he wanted were so far forward that he wouldn't have been able to sit in the car if we had done that original design. So we went ahead and put the hoops as far back as possible in this car, which created a ton of complications in the design, and that meant we had to add a fuel cell because the saddle tanks are too close to the actual chassis itself. So the car did take a while, but I'm more than happy that it's finally done. It runs. We're gonna start it up so you guys can hear it. So another thing we got going, we got Brian's K5 Blazer. We got that LS3 in. We'll put a picture right here for you guys. We're working on the adapter for the transfer case and a couple wiring, but other than that, that truck is getting done. And of course, we've got Frank's car. Frank's car is coming up. I'm super excited. Still waiting on the body kit for it, but we're gonna get those MMR components in there. I know I've been talking about this a while, but I mean, you wanna think things just operate smoothly in a small business. It just doesn't, unfortunately. But it is my job to make those processes more smoother, and I'm doing the best that I definitely can. Another update, quick one. We worked on our Raptor. We can't really say what we did to it. We can't show what we put on it, but we did an extensive amount of work on this truck. And let me tell you, the most important thing that I value of what we did, it gets more gas mileage, and it sounds a little cooler. That's all I can really say about it, but stay tuned. January, February, guys, we'll release that video. So guys, to wrap this video up, we do have a new discount code. It is HO, HO, HO. So 3 HOs all together. Save yourself some money. Use that discount code in our website. Give us a follow on Instagram, FF Performance AZ. And you know what, guys? We are entering Christmas time. I'm pretty excited. It is my favorite time of year. We're gonna take some really cool marketing photos. I bought a Christmas tree. I'm super stoked. And then we'll roll into 2021. No idea what's gonna happen. I'm gonna stay extremely hopeful. So guys, again, another weekly update. Sorry we missed last week, but we're getting this one out.